Amazon is up 10% after earnings. Just yesterday, Facebook, also known as Meta, is down 10% after earnings. This is why you don't trade earnings. Because justice and retribution and vengeance always come to those who trade into earnings. It is such a gamble. And I would never recommend anybody trade earnings because the amount that you can gain can quickly be offset by the amount that you can lose. And because of this, it is such a gamble. It is as if you walked into a casino. Bet it all on black, because nobody should ever bet on red. Always bet on black. And then the candles lie as they may. So, Commissioner Gordon, thank you so much for joining me in today's OVTLYR Trading Room. What I see today is a perfect example as to why yesterday Meta's down 10%, today Amazon's up 10%, and why Batman would never trade through earnings. What about you, Commissioner Gordon? Would you trade through earnings?
I put out the bat signal when the earnings are coming because it is not the time to trade. You need to be attentive. You need to be sitting on the sidelines, not risking your money. I call on all of us to protect ourselves, protect our money in earnings season.
That's right. Don't let jokers try and steal your funds because of earnings, right? Don't be seduced by Catwomans or Poison Ivies who are trying to greed you into Mr. Freezing your account. I have no more puns. It's just not working out. But anyway, we're going to give away some fun stuff. We're going to transition right out of that and go straight to, you need to put hashtag Batman in the chat. And we're going to give away some amazing things to our OVTLYR community today. And we're going to start with the weekly winners, right? All these winners right here are sharing how awesome OVTLYR has been for them. So let me click on a couple of these stories real quick. Now, this is 2 weeks worth of winners because last week we were unable to do this. Dave says, so I wanted to share something dark and distressful. I came into OVTLYR about 18 months ago. The knowledge from this incredibly handsome, highly intelligent, and amazingly wealthy man named Chris, who's unbelievably humble, has been life-changing. Using the rules and strategies that this incredible guy teaches, his account, Dave's account, has officially grown 58% in one. That is not normal, Joe. I mean, Commissioner Gordon, 58% in 1 year. 58% in 1 year. That's Batman kind of returns right there. Today, I hit another benchmark that separates us from normal traders. I've never blown my account thanks to finding that amazing guy named Chris early in his trading career and develop strategies that meet my style of trading and my risk profile. By the way, I did all of this by running only 2.5% risk. OVTLYR is a game changer and a life changer. Congratulations, Dave. Everybody in the chat say, way to go, Dave. Way to go, Dave. Outstanding work, my friend. I'm very, very proud of you.
Great job, Dave.
What did you just say, Commissioner Gordon?
Great job, Dave.
That is the nicest thing I've ever heard come out of Commissioner Gordon's mouth. Almost brings a bat tear to my bat eye.
Hearing those stories brings me out of the funk of the daily life of police work.
Gotham City is a cesspool of crime, but Albertone is up 45% on his target calls in less than a week. I think I'm getting the gist of it as anticipating a buy signal from OVTLYR. Outstanding. And he's up 38% on his Zim calls. What the frick? How about what the finance, with all the money showers that you're taking today, Mr. Albertone? How about Thomas B? Yeah, this is definitely not normal. It's Halloween. I mean, this is a normal day in Gotham City. Thomas B says October has been his best month so far with running GLD and playing EFT, electronic funds transfer. Surely Thomas meant playing ETF. His account's up 6.4%, which is halfway to the money I lost before discovering OVTLYR. Thanks a bunch, guys. I'm going to throw some emojis at you for that one, Thomas. Now, here's the deal. A bat friend of mine was telling me that a financial advisor told him he needed to just be happy with 6% returns. Thomas did this in 1 month. Whereas the financial advisors want to scare you into thinking you can't control your monies and tell you 6% is what you should just be comfortable with for the year. Batman is here to tell you otherwise. It is not okay to be normal. 6% is a hot bag of normal garbage.
But Batman, if Thomas doesn't put his money in at 6%, how are the institutions going to make money off him?
They're not. Screw those guys. We are changing the world. One outlier at a time. Congratulations to you, Thomas. You well deserved. Chris in Wisconsin. That guy's watching on the live stream. Well, part of his modified plan ETF was to sell TQs as close as I can to the top. Apparently, Chris in Wisconsin can see the top. The one guy in the world who can see the top is Chris in Wisconsin. Let it fall 1.5% and then buy back in, rinse and repeat. Today, in the red day, I realized the 1.59% my portfolio. It's 75 minutes. And in the last month, he's up 11.2%. This is not normal. Unless you're an outlier. Enough to surprise my wife to a 10-day Cancun vacation in February. Oh, very nice, Chris in Wisconsin. Very nice. I like where that's going, my friend. Congratulations to you. Well done. Outstanding work.
Commissioner Gordon could use a Cancun vacation. I may take that and run with that. Thank you for that suggestion.
Hey, Commissioner Gordon, how about you start trading Plan ETF? Because we go through this all the time.
Oh, I have been. It is a money maker.
Is it making money like Dave, who's up 3% this week alone?
Yeah, I would suspect that Commissioner Gordon is up more than 3%.
Lurkophiliac somehow has evaded my permaban. Batman isn't the mentor we deserve. He's a mentor that we need right now. I appreciate that. Batman is giving trading strategies extremely unnatural. I hope he rescues Chris and brings him back money. That's correct. Tonight, Batman is going trick-or-treating, and he just might come across that unbelievably handsome man who's very similar to Bruce Wayne. Even though I don't know Bruce Wayne, I can only imagine that he and Chris are like, bosom buddies, as they would say. Speaking of bosoms, did you see these things, Joe? They are huge. I swear I could win Mr. Olympia with these bosoms.
Somebody may have mentioned those bosoms in the chat earlier today, but we couldn't tag it. It was really funny, though.
I like to call them bat boobs. Now, David's up 11% last week alone. Congratulations to you, David. The orange man has just spoke up. No. Unless it's helping, then yes. I don't know. What did he say? The markets are looking up, so that's a good thing.
No orange candles.
No orange candles. We don't want any orange candles. But you know what we do want? We want to give away some free merch. And Stevie, congratulations. Up 12% a week is outstanding. There will be no bat milking, okay? I know, shut up. I messed that up earlier. And then I'm talking about bat bosoms. Things are getting weird around here. Anyways, let's give away some fun stuff. Let's give away some fun stuff to these incredible winners. Now, the way that the bat giveaways work is that I've assigned each of you a bat number. And we go from 1 to 45. There are 45 here, and Batman gives away a piece of merch for every 20 entrants, which means we're going to give away 3 pieces of merch. And we're going to go to random.org, which is the favorite website of a random guy on the internet. I know, I've watched him a couple times. He seems really smart. Let's click generate and see who the first random winner will be. We have to put 1 to 45, though. The first random winner is number 39. Who's number 39?
Thomas.
Oh, Thomas P. Congratulations, Thomas P. Outstanding. Let's see what Thomas P. has won. Not only has he won all kinds of gains in his portfolio, but he's about to win some merch with the best 3PL for what the hell is a 3PL? Is that like C3PO? Best 3PL for e-commerce. Batman also watches Star Wars on occasion.
As long as you're going to get a 3PL, it better be the best.
This is the wrong wheel. Hold on. Merch Wheel of Fortune. There we go. Look at Samuel being all smart over there. It sounds like he's gotten a little too smart for his own good, and he might have to have some justice swiftly brought down upon him. But you know what? I'm sorry, who was that? It was Thomas P. Thomas P has won. Oh, where's the link? There we go. Thomas P has won a $10 merch credit. Now, that may not sound like much, but we have priced everything in the Outlier store at the very lowest price possible. Plus, if you use OVTLYR at checkout, you will even get 10% off, which means you could get this 80 Delta mug for under 10 bucks. You could get 2 different koozies, like this 80 Delta koozie and this Monkey Hammer koozie that Batman is drinking Coke Zero from for under 10 bucks. So congratulations to you, Mr. Forgive me, I can't remember right now. I'm too much in character. Thomas P. Thomas P. was a $10 merch credit. Let's see who the next winner is, Commissioner Gordon. That's the wrong button. Still the wrong button. That's the right button. Number 6.
6.
Vaclav. Wait a minute. I feel like Vaclav won last week. Vaclav did not win last week, so congratulations, Vaclav. That's like my only rule. You can't win 2 weeks in a row. Vaclav. Well deserved, by the way. Well deserved. Let's see what Vaclav has won.
Sweatshirt, 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 sweatshirt. No, did he do it?
He won an LR
Oh,
University hoodie. That is our grand prize. Outstanding, Vaclav. You are the winner of the grand prize.
wow.
You hoodie.
That's
Way
awesome.
to go, Vaclav. Congratulations to you. Now, if you're putting hashtag Outlier in the chat, you will not win. You will only win if you put hashtag Batman in the chat. Hashtag Batman in the chat. Now, of course, don't forget, even if you think you've put hashtag Batman in the chat, you should put hashtag Batman in the chat one last time, just to be sure. Just to be sure. Your entrance might not have counted earlier, but you want it to go through. You want it to go through. All right, let's see who our final winner from the weekly winners is. Mr. Commissioner Gordon. Let's see. Number 5, Mr. T-Rex has won. Congratulations to Mr. T-Rex. Let's see what Mr. T-Rex has won. An Outlier flag koozie to keep those cold brewskis extra cold. An Outlier flag koozie. Outstanding work. Now, we're going to give away some free merch live right now, but only if you put hashtag Batman in the chat. Hashtag Batman in the chat. Hey, it's kind of hard to believe that this is actually a professional YouTube channel about stock trading, but it's true.
It is true. And being
Yes.
on here with you beats fighting crime, I have to say.
Did you say something about fighting crime?
Mm-hmm. Well,
is that the bat signal?
There you go.
I must go after we get through with this. The Dark Knight will return. Get out of the way, Lurkophiliac. You're ruining my vibe over here. And just for that, I'm going to see who the first winner is. Could there be more than one live stream winner? We'll have to see. Let's click and see what happens first. Slippers Pilot. Now, here comes the fun part where Batman gets to see how many times he can mess this name up. I actually really love doing this. Slippers Peel Ot. Slip per splot. Slippers Pilot. Hang on. I enjoy this part. This is fun to me. I get to be fun and creative. Slipper Spoilt. Sly Peppers. Sly Peppers a lot. There we go. Sly Peppers a lot has won. Congratulations, Sly Peppers a lot. That's a weird name. I don't know why you would have that name, Sly Peppers a lot, but I wonder what Sly Peppers a lot has. Oh, hey, wait a minute. There's Sly Peppers a lot right there. Hard to type on a tablet, huh? It sounds like you might be up to some dastardly deeds, just like the Joker. Is this Sly Peppers a lot / Joker / Bane? Or is that the Hammer Donkey? I can't remember.
Bane's definitely not the Hammer Donkey.
Nothing will beat New option. Yes. Oh, that guy Chris is so funny. I mean, I don't know this guy Chris. Let's see what slippers. Wait a minute. Sly Peppers pilot. Stone Temple Pilots has won. Let's see what Stone Temple Pilots has won. The real Bane, definitely not the Hammer Doc. He's here. He's always here. He's always watching. Hey, another $10 merch credit for Sly. Stone Temple Pilots has won $10 merch credit. Congratulations to you, Stone Temple Pilots and Red Hot Chili Peppers and everything else that you are. You know what? Batman's feeling extra generous today.
Do it. Do it.
One more. Should I do this? Should I do this?
You should. You should definitely do it. And I'm going to root for the hoodie. Hoodie.
Let's see who might win the hoodie or something else. I don't know what they're going to win. Wait a minute. I saw the Joker. Did you see the Joker pop through here?
Mm-hmm.
Monty Friel. Monty Friel. It's time for you to win, my friend. Congratulations to you, Monty. Monty Friel. What is Monty won? I swear I saw the Joker, actually. The Joker can't be here. I will bring swift vengeance and justice upon him. Monty Friel has won another hoodie! Oh! No! Wayne Enterprises is going bankrupt with all these grand prizes. Thanks a lot, Commissioner Gordon. Monty Friel has won a Monkey Hammer hoodie. Monkey Hammer hoodie. Congratulations to you. Stone Temple Pilots won the $10 merch credit. Monkey Hammer hoodie goes to Monty Friel. Let's do it one more. Let's do one more.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it. It's not my money. I don't care. Let's see who this.
Not Joker.
Batman? What? Batman 007 apps. What in the wide world of sports is happening right now? Somebody impersonating the Batman with a weird Star Trek picture in the background. How dare you? I will find you. I will hunt you down. And I will give you a prize. I wonder what prize I'm going to give you. It's Bruce Wayne's money. I don't care. Let's see what Bruce Wayne is paying for. A sit and calf, sit and calf, and don't F up your coffee mug. A sit in cash and don't F up coffee mug. Congratulations to all of our winners. We have so many winners. First off, all the 45 people who posted in the spreadsheet that I closed. Hang on just a moment here. There we go. Congratulations to the 45 winners in the chat. Congratulations to Mr. T-Rex, Vaclav, and Thomas P for your prizes. And then one last hearty congratulations to Stone Temple Pilots, Monty Friel, and Batman 007 apps. Now, to claim your prizes, all you got to do is email April. I heard that she is an amazing customer service person over at support@outlier.com. She will absolutely hook you up, help you out. She's amazing. Just send her an email. Let her know that you're a big old winner like that, and she'll take care of the rest. Now, Commissioner Gordon, Commissioner Hess is going to be pissed. Commissioner Gordon.
I'll protect you, Batman.
I appreciate that. But Batman works alone. Don't you understand? I am the knight. I work alone.
I got
we
you
gotta
back.
work on our trading plan. We gotta work on our trading plan, Joe. I mean,
Yep.
Commissioner Gordon.
Let's do it. Are there any exit signals today? Or are we just going to be showered with funds?
Showered with what? I don't plan on showering with you anytime soon, Commissioner Gordon. Just saying. Did you say showered with funds or puns or something else? Because I don't know. It's kind of hard to. I don't have any bat ears. I don't know what's happening around here.
What are those things on top of your head, Batman?
How dare you use logic? Do you think my ears are up here? Eyes up, Joe. I mean, eyes up, Commissioner Gore. I know you can't keep your eyes off my bat bosoms, but eyes up, please. Please, get it together. Get it
I'll
together.
try to behave myself, Batman.
This is a professional YouTube channel, okay? I thought he said shower for fun. Yeah, I actually don't know what he said. I don't know which one you're laughing at, but I was laughing at that one.
They're all good. I said showered with funds, monies.
Showering with money bags actually funds? I like money bags. Speaking of money bags, I have one right here, in fact. Ah, this is how much you get paid when you save Gotham City. A giant bag of money. Yes. Yes.
Did you
Of course
apprehend
it's even
Joker
this.
today?
What was that?
Did you apprehend Joker today? That's his bag, isn't it?
What do you mean? That's his bag. I legitimately acquired that bag through legitimate sources, and Batman always pays his taxes. What are you talking about?
I'll look into this, or won't I?
A girl? No, there's no girls in the chat. Hey, welcome to the OVTLYR Trading Room invitation only live stream, hosted by Batman and Commissioner Gordon. This is where we help you save time, make money, start winning with less risk. So go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. We're going to go through plans MA, ETF, and sit in cash. Now, if you want normal returns or a normal YouTube channel, this is not for you. But if you want OVTLYR returns and OVTLYR YouTube channels, you're definitely in the right place. So plans M and A are our most aggressive plans, but right now we're sitting in plan ETF, which we might even have a new entry signal on today. But all we can do is follow the plan by reducing risk before adding new trades. So we need to look at our exit signals right now because Commissioner Gordon, what's the most important part of the plan?
Always reduce risk first before taking on any new trades.
That was a good answer, but not the answer I'm looking for. It's on the screen.
The most important part of the plan is planning on the plan, not going to plan.
Exactly. So the first thing we need to do is look at the plan ETF exit signal. All right, let's quickly go through this because Batman's losing his voice. Everything's got a buy signal. We don't have a 1020 cross down. So that's good. That's good. We don't have any order blocks ahead of us. So that's good. Qs above the 3 AGR level. Let's take a look real quick. No. Oh, and we're no longer in the value zone. We were just a couple moments ago. And if you were to buy it within the value zone, it would have been an active entry signal today because I need to scroll a lot. Anytime you can take the trade once it's inside of the value zone. So if it does dip back down just a little bit, you could take it in the value zone. But at this point, I'm going to consider it outside and above the value zone, but not quite to the part where we would take profit on our profit zone. This is a 10 for 10 professional YouTube channel. Exactly. Very, very professional.
But Batman, is the value zone a trust me, bro?
What are you trying to say, Commissioner Gordon?
I'm trying to say I make trading moves based on data. Is the value zone based on data?
How about this, Commissioner Gordon? How does that red line look? Doesn't it look amazingly batastic?
It does. What is the red line?
Well, it is the backtested returns of 1,140% following this plan over the span of 5 years, when including all 4 of these exit points right here. Batman's going down. Batman needs some hot herbal tea to help soothe his throat. Fighting crime is a very dangerous business, but we still need to make time for herbal tea. A little bit of herbal tea with a little honey inside as well. So with that out of the way, there's no exit signals here, but if it comes back just ever so slightly, it could be an entry signal for you if that fits your plan. How about SPXL? Great point. Great point, Michael Ross, the boss. SPXL is within the value zone. There you go. So you could take the S&P side of plan ETF and use SPXL as your leveraged ETF. Now, Commissioner Gordon, I'm going to turn it over to you, and you can tell us how we should proceed with plan M. How does that sound? Because my voice is getting really hard.
That sounds great, Batman. Let's do it. Plan M. We're going to start on the left. We're going to look at the market. We're going to look in Outlier and see if SPY is on a bullish trend and if SPY has a buy signal.
It certainly has the buy signal.
It does have the buy signal. You're right. On this screen, we can see, once it loads on the right center, we can see buy signals. We can also see a green background under Chris's Batman's mouse. So we have a bullish trend. We have the blue over the black over the red. Those are your EMA lines. When they haven't crossed, you're in a bullish trend again. So you have lots of signals here opened up so far on Plan M. It's looking good. Next, we need to look at the SPY fear and greed heat map. It needs to be under 70 and rising. Ooh, we can see it's rising. We can see it's under 70 because on the left-hand side, it says 65.37, I believe. So again,
68.37.
all right, which is under 70. So again, we have a signal that says Plan M is a go. What's our next signal, Batman? Full stocks breath. We need a bullish cross over the 10 EMA. Now we could get that
6 or 7. Yes, very, very well said. Very well said.
Now we could get that on the last screen, but it's a little small. So we'll look at this screen, which is the market breath screen, and we'll zoom all the way to the right, and we'll look for the green line to be over top of the orange line, which it is not.
It
So
is
we
not.
failed.
Commissioner Gordon, I'm very surprised by this. In a very quick manner, we're selling off hard on sell signals. Breadth is going down hard and fast. But also notice the number of uptrends is going down and the number of downtrends is going up. I'm quite surprised by this, but this is why having access to Outlier will tell you within a moment's notice, a couple glances here and there to see if the market is trending for you by price with a buy signal, and if everybody inside the market is also trending in your direction. And for the best part, it's only 82 Gotham City cents per day. It's unbelievably inexpensive.
So we now know Plan M is not a go. So we would be moving to a different plan at this stage. We would not move on to sector, and we would not try to find stocks within sectors because the market is not in our favor.
That's correct. So at this point, we've covered Plan ETF. Still has a active buy signal if you were to take it, and no random guy on the internet should tell you what to trade. And I'm certainly going to tell you to sell your SoFi shares. Then Plan ETF doesn't have an exit signal just yet on the TQQQs. And we've established that Plan M/Plan A, our most aggressive plans, are not set up as well. So Commissioner Gordon, what is there left to do?
Well, once I know Plan M is not in play, I'm going to look at Plan ETF. And if that fails, which it didn't because we just looked through it, I would go to sit in cash, which would be SGov. So we're going to stay in Plan ETF if we're already in it. If we're not trading SPY, we could potentially look at an entry there.
That sounds outstanding. Commissioner Gordon, thank you so much for joining us today in this invitation-only private live stream.
Thank you for having me, and thanks for helping with justice and trying to clean up the streets of Gotham City.
Gotham City needs me. I shall go. Now, if some were looking to save time, make money, and start winning at less risk, what do you think they should do, Commissioner Gordon?
Well, they could act as if Commissioner Gordon did and subscribe as an outlier, and then they can watch some of these videos to learn more about Outlier.
Finger dance it up, Commissioner Gordon, as they click those videos. Click over here, click over there. Either way, have a fantastic weekend and a very happy Halloween.